Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to send disappearing photos on Instagram. Why would you want to know how to send disappearing photos on Instagram? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to send disappearing photos on Instagram. So today I am going to show you how to send disappearing photos on Instagram. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sending disappearing photos on Instagram is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will send disappearing photos on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram app in your device, and now here is my Instagram home screen. Then first click on message icon in the right top corner. And now in this screen, first open any chat, and then in this page click on camera icon in the left bottom corner. Now you can capture your photo or select a photo from gallery and then select view once option, because it let the person or group receiving your photo only view it once and then it disappear permanently. Now click on send. So there you go. If you were wondering how to send disappearing photos on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.